Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a install for you guys. So today we installing test pipes on the G. Got some new wheels over there. Got the Omi under there. So as you can see, the car is already jacked up already. So we're just trying to pull the bolts. And if y'all didn't see the install for these intakes, go and check it out. So yeah, let's get into the install. So right now I'm under the car right now. So we're trying to pull this bolt from the headers, the OEM headers. And here's the cat. So we're gonna change this out. Yeah, so you're gonna try to pull this bolt right here up top. So okay guys, this is the next day. So right now I'm at the muffler shop. So if you guys live in Florida, make sure you guys check out this muffler shop. Yeah, so right now they just trying to take off the other cat from the other side. So they torching it right now. So right now, as you can see, they get it off. So that's the one I'm gonna put on right now. So as I said, make sure you guys come to this muffler shop. It's a muffler for less. You could call them too. Best muffler shop in Broward. Okay guys, so we at the muffler shop. I just got the exhaust done. So you're gonna get a cold start right now. Oh shit. Yeah man, so that's how the G sounds right now with a single. Yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more install. Peace. So we got the Q just get his muffler delete. So we got